Hi everyone, this is Rania from Tunisia and you're watching YouTube channel Beautiful Woman by Sonia Beloch. Today I'm going to show you amazing hijab styles that you can easily make. And some of them are pinless styles, which makes them very practical and very easy to do. Let's start. Okay, so first I recommend wearing this hat with this poofy behind to give you more volume. Let's start with the first style. Okay, so for this style, you need to make the two sides equal. You put your hijab this way, then you turn it from the behind, you squeeze a little bit, and then you take this part and you turn it around and tuck it in from behind this way. Great. You can leave it this way. Sometimes I choose to leave it this way, especially when I'm wearing something like plain, so this could give your outfit more energy. Okay, else you can take this part and turn it around this way and tuck it in from behind. Now, what do you think? Good? Stylish, huh? Now, for the second style, you should make one side much shorter than the other. You use a pin. Now, you take the short side and you throw it this way. Don't make it really like fixed. And then you throw the long side on the short one. And you try to fix all things up with another pin this way. Done? We have our second style. Okay. So for the next style, keep the two sides equal and then we're gonna lift it up from the behind and turn it this way. Okay, to make a triangle over here. Try not to make the volume up from there. And then we're gonna turn it this way. Okay, now we're gonna spread this side and tuck it from behind, and then we'll spread this side as well and tuck it from behind. Let's fix it up a little bit and we have this beautiful style. Moving to the next one, we'll take equal parts, pin this over here. Then we're gonna take this part, take it from behind and throw it. You can throw this side right here. And you have really beautiful relaxed hijab. Or you can throw it this way as well, so that you have this one only from this side. I prefer it this way. What about you? I hope you liked this video and you like the styles that I presented to you. Thank you for watching and bye bye.